Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. 2 to the power root x is equal to 8 to the power x. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. 2 to the power root x is equal to, this 8 can be written as 2 cubed whole to the power this power x. Next, 2 to the power root x is equal to, by using this property, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. This 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x will become 2 to the power 3 times x. Now we have same base at both sides, so we can write this exponent root x equal to this 3x. So this will become root x is equal to 3 times x. From here we square both sides of this equation. So this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and at left hand side we are left with x is equal to 3x squared will become 9x squared, and we subtract x from both sides, so this get cancelled and this equation will become 9x squared minus x is equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out x, and in bracket left 9 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here either this x is equal to 0, or this 9 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. We move this negative 1 to the right hand side, then this will become 9 times x is equal to 1, and if we divide both sides by 9, then this 9 will be cancelled out with this 9, and we get the value of x is equal to 1 over 9, and from here we get the value of x is equal to 0. So we have two values of x. Now let's verify and see that whether these values of x are solutions or not. The original equation is 2 to the power root x is equal to 8 to the power x. So when x is equal to 0, then this equation will become 2 to the power root 0 is it equal to 8 to the power 0. Now this will become 2 to the power root 0 is 0. Is it equal to 8 to the power 0 is 1, and this 2 to the power 0 will become 1 is equal to 1. You can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means that this value of x 0 is a valid solution. Now when x is equal to 1 over 9, then this equation will become 2 to the power root 1 over 9. Is it equal to 8 to the power 1 over 9? Next, 2 to the power square root of 1 over 9 will become 1 over 3. Is it equal to, we can write this 8 as 2 cubed whole to the power this power 1 over 9. 2 to the power 1 over 3, is it equal to, by using this property, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 3 by this 1 over 9, so this 3 1 time and 3 times 9. So this will become 2 to the power 1 over 3. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means this second value of x 1 over 9 is also a valid solution.